Welcome back to Deep Dive Monday. Today we're going to talk about Mustangs. Apologies in advance if my voice sounds a little weird. I had a really fun weekend, so bear with me as my voice is a little shot. Doing research on Mustangs was so fun because I don't know anything about horses at all. I have a lot of friends. One of our founders is also an owner of a horse, so shout out to her. But anyways, Mustangs are actually not a wild species of horse in the United States, which is crazy because considering that they do have free roaming horses that would be considered wild in the western parts of the United States. In reality, those are all just feral horses. And the reason is because they were actually originally colonial Spanish horses that were brought over by the Spanish conquistadors. And after several hundreds of years of interbreeding with other species, they have adapted into this new species of horse that we call Mustangs. And all Mustangs are going to look different from each other, which is cool. Yes, the babies will look like their mom and dad, but in reality, a Mustang could be white, could be black, could be brown. It could have spots, it could have no spots, it could have stripes. So there's all kinds of different phenotypes with Mustangs, which makes them pretty iconic. Not only are they iconic because of their colorations, but also because of their free spirit. In fact, it's because of their free spirit that the government has allowed them to have millions of acres of land in the southwestern and northwestern parts of the United States, allowing them to just roam freely. However, it's because of this that the Bureau of Land Management has also had a slight problem with Mustangs. They are overpopulating because they rapidly reproduce. And with a group of horses, you're going to have one male horse who's kind of like in charge of a group. Then you'll have a lead mare, so like the top female, and then he usually has like more females in his group as well as all of their young. So usually a group of horses, specifically Mustangs, are going to be around 10 individuals at the minimum. Now, hunting these horses is completely illegal, but thankfully the government does allow people to adopt these free roaming horses. They'll actually give people money to take in these wild horses to prevent ecosystem disruption because of their overpopulation, but only if they can provide humane treatment.